we are surfing. There are sloths there.
What are they called?
Sloths?
Sloths.
You said 5 times very fast.
Sloth.
Sloth. Okay, we're gonna see those creatures anyway. I'm trying to call them. They're not answering.
What's their number? 1-800-SLOTH. G'day! Welcome to Bocas Del Toro. How are you, my love?
Very good.
Yeah? Loving life?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Today we are surfing.
We're surfing.
Surfing.
Not surfing, surfing. I like it. So Bocas Del Toro, where we have now put an anchor down, is one of the greatest surfing destinations in the Caribbean. I'm gonna make the call and say that. I know it's a big one, but I'm gonna make it.
Well, you've surfed already. How was it?
I have been out for a surf with some of our friends already. It was incredible. The waves coming through here. I'm in love. It's gonna be hard to leave, actually.
Yeah, it was worth the motor/sail, hey?
It was not a fun motor/sail. We motored for probably 60 miles, or the better half of 12 hours, upwind, up current.
Yeah.
It was not fun.
No.
But full revs.
Oh well.
But we're now here. We've got the tender out. We've got the surfboards out.
All of our friends are here.
There's a great little spot for Isabelle to learn how to surf.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay,
I got my teacher here, and I'm gonna kill it. Sun's out.
Sun's out, surf's out. Let's do it. We'll take the GoPro along so we can film everything for you
Film
guys.
my moves. Hey?
Your moves. I like your moves. I forgot to say it's a special day for you, isn't it, babe?
Surfing day.
Surfing day. What other day is it? Today is Isabelle's birthday. So now we're going for a birthday surf, aren't we? Wait.
Good morning, people. We are in Bocas Del Toro, and I'm waiting for a Mr. Kieran Wise to join me on deck. Oh, hello.
Don't rush me, please. Move over.
Hey, how are you?
Very good.
Yeah?
Got my coffee in hand.
Oh, you drinking coffee? That's dangerous.
Just a couple sips. Just waking up this morning.
It's a beautiful day, though. It has been raining a lot here, and we have been taking up some jobs, and yeah, just connecting with friends again. But today is sunny, and we are going to explore the island called
Canero.
There you go.
There is a little island just across the river from Bocas Del Toro. It's called Caneros. It has some great surf all around it, and it's got such tropical vibes going on.
It has a jungle, and people are saying there's sloths there.
What are they called?
Sloths?
Sloths?
What did I say?
Sloths. A sloth is like a poker machine. Sloth.
So how do you say it?
Sloth.
Can you say it 5 times very fast?
Sloth, 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 sloth,
Sloth.
sloth.
Okay, we're gonna see those creatures anyway. There are also apparently red frogs there and a couple of birds. Yeah.
Did you have red frogs growing up? Was it a candy in Sweden?
Oh, they're green.
Oh, they're green frogs.
Yeah.
In Australia,
Horrible.
they're red frogs.
Horrible. Really?
Yeah, yeah. Like you have one of those, you gotta get sugar high for like an
Yeah,
hour.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it, baby.
Sounds good. Coffee is good. Ready?
Just gonna show them my hat.
Oh.
What do you guys think about my hat? I got it.
Thumbs up if you like it. Comment if you like it. Do nothing if you don't like it.
I got it from a certain someone. Ooh. Any last words, Sandra?
Last word.
Sloths.
With the archipelago of Bocas spanning 250 square kilometres, the amount of trails and hikes seems almost endless. We had heard of some friends that this particular hike on the island of Basimento went through jungle with many sloths and came out at a deserted beach.
Taking them off.
A little bit toasty.
Yeah? Where you going, cowboy?
Cowboy.
Oh, you left bird, but true cowboy.
Very good.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Did you walk in poo?
Do I walk and poo?
No. Oh, I wonder why you did like this.
My feet got cuts all over from surfing.
Ah. Look at this place.
There are so many of these little shacks with just hammocks in and a kitchen and surfboards, and they're all just like little spots for surfers to just chill, walk down the path, and I'm gonna have a guess and say there's some amazing break down here. Where's the sloths, baby?
I don't know. I'm trying to call them, but they're not answering.
What's their number? 1-800-SLOTH?
Yeah.
Yeah? And the wild Sandra comes out through her natural habitat. Unfortunately, after looking high and low for some time, we were unable to find any sloths or red frogs. There were some very mean looking spiders that we didn't want to get too close to.
So apparently the sloth only comes out in the rainy season, which is I'm quite disappointed. I mean, I guess they have to be somewhere right now. We asked this farmer who walked past us. He was looking for his horse. He ran away from him. But it's a beautiful walk. I mean, I love this lush green forest / jungle all around us. It's beautiful. To see a sloth though, that would just make my day. Maybe we'll see one on the way back. Otherwise, I am quite hot and looking forward to for a nice dip in the ocean. Hey baby.
Hey,
How you going?
very good. And yourself?
Very good. I'm hot. I want to go for a swim. What do you reckon?
Let me see if I can spot anywhere you can swim. Oh wait, there's an ocean just there. Well, you might be able to. Yeah, I think you can get in that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hola.
Hey, g'day.
Welcome.
Welcome to our favourite little segment we do at the end of the video.
The Patron Shoutout.
The Patron Shoutouts. This is like, we've done a few of these recently, haven't we?
And I'm so happy that we have, because that means that there are people that like our videos and want to support us.
Oh man, we want to express our gratitude and our appreciation to everyone, but especially in these little segments, the new guys that have just signed up.
Yes.
So, Isabelle.
Yes, we want to welcome Kentil N and Georgios. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong.
I'm going to say it's Georgos.
Okay.
But Georgos, let us know who's correct there. And one of my friends, Winston P, has signed up. Winston, I'm in contact with you right now. Thank you, champion. Thank you for signing up. Much appreciated. And an existing patron, Christian, has recently upped their pledge. So Christian, shout out to you, mate. Good job on supporting us for as long as you have, but also increasing it. Absolute legend.
We see that and we're so grateful.
We do not miss out on these things. No. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. We'll see you next week.
Cheers.
Cheers.